Hey gang, I just wanted to show you what I did to the tractor here. I follow a YouTube channel called the Struggleville, and it's always got really good deals, like 80% off and stuff. So anyway, I bought 2 sets of these LED spotlights or floodlights or shit, I don't know what they are. They're by Ambothered, but so I picked these up for $8. I got 2 sets of them for $8 a piece. And I mounted them on my tractor. I didn't want them on the outside because I'm cleaning, I'm clearing a bunch of brush and stuff from behind my house. And that is also why I took the other lights off. The way I hooked these up, I drilled the hole through the ROPS. I know you're not supposed to. Ran the ground wire. You can't see very well. But I ran the ground wire to the little bolt there. Then I ran it all the way down through here. You can see the red wire. And I hooked it up to the yellow wire. Back it up some. Hooked it up to the yellow wire. I just smashed the butt connector a little bit so it was tight. That way I could just pull it off. And you know, just how I did it. Here's without it on. Here's with them on. Looks pretty good to me. Now I'm gonna put the camera in manual mode so that the exposure will not change, just the lights. So let me fire this bitch up, warm it up a little bit. Maybe I'll put the bucket back on it. Maybe I gotta heat the glow plugs up. Oh, I just noticed I got a dent in my hood. Let me fix that. There we go, all fixed. Okay. Yeah, as you know, it's in gear. Be right back. It's cold as fuck out here today. Let's turn these things on, I guess. Find the switch. Oh boy. Big difference. Of course, my head's kind of in the way. I expected that. There we go. All right. That's it. You can see a fucking thing behind me. I turn around. Whoop. Lift it again. You know about the only thing that really drives me fucking crazy about this tractor? I mean, well, it's not in. That's a bunch of dirt here, I guess. The only thing that really drives me crazy about this tractor, this damn PTO thing right here. It always tries to go up my ass when I get out of this thing. I'm disabled, so that doesn't help me out. Anyway, hang on, I'm gonna get this this bucket mounted. Really, the only thing that I knew this was gonna happen, but I mounted them there anyway. And I could always flip them up to the top, no problem. About the only bad thing is the reflection off the back of my glasses. You probably can't see shit, but just the reflection off the back of my glasses. So that's it. My bucket's got some frozen dirt in it, so I need to make my way in the house and get it mounted up. What the hell with it? I'll just leave it here. But anyway, thanks for watching. It's a little dark back here. I ran for $8 a light. Let's turn around right here. The ground is frozen now. I'm in the process of clearing all this out. All this was back over here by the garden. This back here that's cleared out now, that's what that over to the behind me is what it used to look like. Alright, see you later anyway. Thanks for watching. Well, anyway, I really like the lights where they're at, just because I like them right there, but since I have the shorter ROPS, I'm going to put them on top. See if that helps, because when I turned around, I couldn't see it. I couldn't see a thing. Light right in my eyes. I had to turn them off to back up. So I'm gonna put them on top, see what they look like. Be back. Okay, I'm moving to the top. Let's go for a drive and see if it's any better now that it's not hitting my head. Be right back. It's hard to do with a camera. Neutral. So I forgot to check garage door clearance, but it cleared. Fuck, it's still in gear. Alright, here we go. It's about the same, really. About the same. Works well though. I can back up now. Right side. Okay. Put this away. Well, that's it. They work. I can see around them. Get this stupid fucking PTO lever out of my ass. Oh, shit. Thanks for watching.